Airsoft! 3, 2, 1. Go.
Make it not fall. What you gotta do, this is the best class now.
We're a pretty small product, but semi and fully auto.
Go!
Well, I don't know if that one bounced or not on my gun. Did you?
It bounced off the wood. Dude, that's the MP5. It sounds so freaking fast. New edition. Well, I can hear it. Sounds like a freaking bow and arrow. Alright, I'm going over to the other side.
Who's up in the treehouse?
No one. Oh wait, the one you talking about the tree stand? Oh, Dylan.
I shot that person so much.
Oh.
You get hit? Did you get hit?
No, I shot the tree and it bounced back and almost hit me.
Where's Chris? Is he on his friend?
Yeah.
You can just stand up in the left.
Ah, I got hit. Hit in the face. Ah, that hurt. Oh well.
Are you serious?
You got hit in the face?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Dude, been hit in the face so many times before. Thank God it wasn't my teeth again, though. I don't need to chip those again. You know what? I'm going in the trench. We're in the trench right now.
Probably out.
Wow. I freaking shot Dylan and then he got scared and ran back.
That's Dylan. Hey, look, no fingers this time. Matt, we're gonna call you the Brownie this time instead of the Big Lemon. Hey, Brownie.
What's up?
What's up?
At least I'm not a lemon anymore.
Some dirt, some bricks, a big brownie. Yep, nope, nothing out of the ordinary. Thompson. Don't blind fire. Hey, man.
Alright.
You have to throw up and just wait for him to pop out. Wait for him to pop out.
You was at the mall with
Yeah.
your
Yeah,
friend.
he told you snap before he popped out.
Who's out?
Just Dylan lost it.
Chris.
Told you
All
that.
right, Chris is out.
Wait, just Dylan.
Is Paul out?
You want to move up?
Yeah, pause out.
All right.
You want to move up?
Cover.
Yeah. 2, 1, go.
Oh, frick, I'm getting this. Just me. All right, game. Oh, oh.